Hi, I'm Elnaz Ghajar-Rahimi. I'm a fifth-year PhD student in biomedical engineering. When you're considering a graduate program, the right questions can make a big difference. From my own experience and interviewing, I found that these questions fall into a few main areas. The first one, and maybe most obvious one, is research fit. What techniques does the lab use? What projects might you be working on if you join this lab? And it can be helpful to review the lab websites to tailor these questions as well. Next would be program requirements. Are you required to be a teaching assistant? Are there lab rotations available, or is it a direct match? And what are the expectations for publications and graduation? Then lab culture and mentorship fit. I think this can be really important. So things like, how is the work-life balance? Is remote work possible? What does a typical day look like for students in this lab? Is the PI's mentorship style hands-on or more hands-off? Or things related to conferences and how those conference costs are covered. The next is physical location of the university. Things like, what is the average rent? How is the public transportation? And what do students do outside of the lab? What are the outdoor activities like, or stores that are available? And aside from those things, one tip that I have is to talk to the current PhD students one-on-one. They can give you a good sense of the day-to-day and how realities and expectations compare to one another. Also remember that your research topic is important, but so do the people, the lab culture, and the city. You'll be spending 4+ years in your graduate program, so you want it to be a good fit all around.